react to the Fanum tax update. So if you're new and tuned in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all appreciate y'all for tuning into the stream. Y'all go subscribe to my main channel. It's BbyLon, y'all. Just BbyLon by itself, y'all.
I think it's time for the update. It is time for the tax update. All right.
Do it. Yo, this man serious. He's not playing, Jack.
Tax update. I'm not playing with these. I'm not playing with these. Chat, listen up, chat. Listen up, chat. We are not playing around. The Fanum tax is getting an update.
Okay.
It's getting an update.
You got paparazzi. Okay, Fanum.
How y'all doing?
Okay, Fanum.
Hey yo.
W security, bro.
Tax update from the Fanum government. We have an update today live. What is today? July what? July 19th, 2023. Somebody is getting removed completely from the Fanum tax. There is 4 new updates on 4 different A&P members. The first person that is being removed from the Fanum tax is Mr. Davis Dodge. Can you please clap it up for Mr. Davis Dodge?
Okay.
Can you please clap it up for Mr. Davis?
Davis removed?
The reason why Davis Dodge is being removed, the nigga he never got no fucking food to tax. So, what's the fucking
Makes
point?
sense.
As you can see right here, this is an official transcript from the Fanum government. You see it is signed and dated and stamped. Okay, we will read this. Dear Mr. Davis Dodge, after careful examination and months of proven loyalty, the Fanum government has decided to completely remove the Fanum tax from your government in its entirety. We thank you for respecting our culture and our values. Please continue being a great...
No. Come on, man. Oh, y'all, this man Fanum is literally doing all this over the Fanum tax.
Being a great example to society as a whole. Sincerely, the Fanum government. Let's go ahead and sign this real quick. Somebody screenshot that, y'all can tag that. Cool. Now time for the update. Alright.
What's the update?
Kai Sinet.
Oh.
He's at, I believe, 2.5%. New numbers, 1%.
Okay.
Chris next door. I believe he's at what numbers? Let me check the list. Let's make sure this is right.
Is that cop coming upstairs?
Thank you.
This man cop can't quit.
Thanks for the loyalty and the dedication and making sure that you are not only an honorable member of society,
Bro, thank you so much for 1%, bro.
You got 1% though. You still take.
Yeah, you changed my life, bro.
Yeah, David.
Changed my life, bro.
Okay, back.
You are at 1%. Okay. Duke Dennis, you are now at 15%. Disrespect will not be tolerated. You are at 15%.
Yo.
Chris next door, you are at 50%.
Yo.
Boom, Dominican mukbang, that was crazy. Agent 000, the first person in Fanum tax history.
What the fuck?
Triple digits, you at 100%. You at 100% now. We about to do what we gotta do for 100%, cause it just makes sense. I mean, it just makes sense. Thank you, my brother. You go ahead and see. I'm going ahead and call you real quick.
Yo.
Man, let's go ahead and clap it up for that beautiful tax. That was a beautiful update. That was a beautiful update. Just give me 1 second. I gotta make one call, chat. All right, bet. Cool. Perfect. You got your mic muted, right? All right, chat. It is time to implement the 100% tax on Mr. Agent 000.
All right, let's see what Agent say.
Follow me. This is when you win 100% tax. Everything is officially. Alright, we don't give a All this shit is mine, bro. All this shit. Take all this shit out. All this shit is mine. All this shit is mine. All this shit is mine. Come on. Hey, he don't even got no fucking food in here, y'all. He don't even got no fucking food in here. Nigga just got straight. He was starving. Hold on, no easy. I take everything though. Hold on. Thank you, bro. Excuse me. Matter of fact, I'm taking the whole fridge.
Did he just break his stuff?
100% tax. I'm taking the fridge.
Oh my god!
He got everything. 100% tax.
He's taking his whole
You're not done. Hold on.
refrigerator.
Hold on. 100% tax. Shit out there. What's next?
Bro, this nigga tripping.
What else you missing?
It's gonna be another war.
No more? Hold on. Stay right here. Don't even go in the back. I'm gonna go in the back. Ow!
He just slipped on something. More cans.
Nigga tried to oh.
Yo. This nigga.
Oh, we out there. All this shit mine, bro. All this shit mine, bro. We out here, bro. New fridge.
Bro.
Yeah, you can have it. It's mine now. Go ahead, bro.
I get one too. I get one for my mama. All right.
No, I'm getting one for my mama.
Everybody spend 100%. We are not playing. Everybody spend 100%. We are not playing.
Now who's gonna carry all that shit upstairs? Who gonna carry all that upstairs, Fanum? Security?
Black Friday. Get whatever you want, man. But where's the food? Ain't no what? They got more.
Let me get some Ghost energy, bro.
Well, I guess you get some energy, bro. All this shit.
He got so many cans.
Oh, how about you, man?
Yo.
We'll have security bring it up in a little bit. All right, y'all. We're going back to the stage. Oh, come on. Close the door. Thanks for the drink, hey. Thanks for the fucking drinks. Thanks for the drink, agent. Thanks for the fucking drinks, man. Thanks for the drinks, man. I got me a new fridge now. Shit. That down right there.
No.
Stop, man. This shit in here like you ain't got ketchup and shit.
All them drinks fell out. Okay. That nigga really taking his whole refrigerator.
Fridge.
That boy side after that. Look that bitch in.
Perfect. I get this for you. All right, chat. 100% tax has been implemented, man. Hey, no pictures, y'all, no pictures.
Bro, Fanum.
100% tax.
Hey, bro. I'm here to submit my 1% tax.
1% tax. Appreciate you, my brother.
Oh, shit, my socks.
Y'all, Agent is finna be mad, bro. Agent is finna be mad. We need to see Agent response to this, y'all, man. Even though until then you watch the video all the way through, I appreciate love so much, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all. We're on the road to 200 subs on this channel. I'm on the road to 6K subs on my main channel, BbyLon. Y'all go sub up. Comment new videos I'm gonna react to, y'all. I'm doing a 2-week run on this channel, so y'all will be seeing new videos dropping on this channel every single day, all day. So you might as well hit the subscribe button and join the family, y'all. Comment new videos, guys.